Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to put text behind a person in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva account, and if you don't have it, just navigate to canva.com and create a free account. Well, from my dashboard, what I need is a blank working area. I can decide to pick one from the templates that are available here, or I can navigate into the create design, choose a custom size, and of course enter my measurements to create my design. In this case, I'll just use a random flyer blank template. On this design mode, I'll navigate into the elements section and find an image of my choice. I can also upload an image of my choice depending on how I feel about this. I'll in this case come and look for any image. For example, I need a girl's image, and from all the templates that are appearing, I can look for one that, well, looks more interesting, and I think this looks good. I'll click on it to import it into my design area. I'll then resize it just to make sure it fits in accurately on my page. I can also navigate to position so that I have it on the right area. The next thing I'll want to do is to create a duplicate page of this. So I have another blank page, so page 1, page 2. I'll then select this image, copy that, navigate into page 2 and paste it in there. So I'll right click on this image, select copy, navigate into the second page, right click and paste. So on this image that I have pasted, I will remove the background. So in this case, I'll select the image, navigate to edit photo, and from the designs available, I will remove the background. Once this background has been removed, I'll go back to my original page, which is page 1, and select text. I'll pick a text option of my choice from the many templates that are here. I'll want to create from an empty heading. So in this case, I'll select, write the term wonderful, make it uppercase, and change the color to white. I'll make it a little bit bigger, and I'll have it somewhere here. The next thing I'll want to do is to navigate into my second page and copy this image by right clicking and select copy, navigating back into a first image and selecting paste. Either you can right click and select paste, or you can Control V as a keyboard shortcut or Command V on your Mac. I'll then align this, and there we go. We have created this text at the back, and the woman is appearing at the front side. Great! I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and now you know how to put text behind a picture using Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.